Cirrus 7.0 for those who truly care. Crafted from the finest 440C steel, so strong. Keeps its edge forever, holding sharpness all day long. Effortless in the sky, cutting smooth and light. With clouds diamond sharpening, you'll shine so bright. Convex edge for a flawless glide. Super lightweight, you'll cut right.
Yeah, these shears are a treasure, weighing barely a thing. In your hand, a feather light, like a gentle wing. With every snip, every trim, feel the difference true. You got the Cirrus 7.0, nothing you can't do.
Effortless in the sky, cutting smooth and light. With clouds diamond sharpening, you'll shine so bright. Convex edge for a flawless glide. Super lightweight, you'll cut right.
And there's that blue tension on turn just for you. Set your perfect tension, make your dreams come true. Every hair, every fur under your control. The Cirrus 7.0 Shears make your work bold.
Effortless in the sky, cutting smooth and light. With clouds diamond sharpening, you'll shine so bright. Convex edge for a flawless glide. Super lightweight, you'll cut right.
Got one free sharpening, worth $25 too. Keep these blades like brand new, just for you. For every stylist, every groomer with a plain. Clouds Diamond Sharpening is where it all began.
Effortless in the sky, cutting smooth and light. With clouds diamond sharpening, you'll shine so bright. Convex edge for a flawless glide. Super lightweight, you'll cut right.
Got one free sharpening, worth $25 too. Keep those blades like brand new, just for you. For every stylist, every groomer with a plan. Clouds Diamond Sharpening is where it all began.
So rise above, Cirrus in your head. Every cut, every style, perfectly planned. With clouds diamond sharpening, you're soaring.